Kinuha ko sa mother ko was life insurance na VUL. Oh, yung mga VUL dyan. Sorry. 1,000 per month siya. 58 years old siya nung kinuha ko yon. 67 na siya this year. So, 9 years ago. Tama ba yung math ko? So, life insurance siya with investment. Though I'm not after with the investment, gusto ko lang yung flexibility na I don't need to pay. It pay itself na after a while na nagbabayad ka. But you also need to watch out for the fund value. And yung benefits niya ay 250,000 na life insurance. To use that just in case, knock on wood, at sa final expenses like funeral or burial cost. Anyways, yung mga other final expenses like loans, wala namang loans yung mother ko. Wala rin naman siyang ipapamana. So I didn't prepare for the attorney's fees or mga estate taxes. So, very minimal lang yung nakuha kong coverage kasi yun lang talaga yung afford ko. So, yung pangalan niya, if you wanna check, it's a Sunflexilink. If you're planning to get something for your parents, check mo kung ano lang muna yung afford mo.